Swirling through the pink sky, thinking thick thighs. This ain't minor league, you big time, so you been mine. One more tint the window, been high. Now that dick riding like it's gym time, so you been mine, so you been mine. Swirling through the pink sky, thinking thick thighs. This ain't minor league, you big time, so you been mine. One more tint the window, been high. Now that dick riding like it's gym time, so you been mine, so you been mine, yeah.
So if anybody's in the area, come on down, see Mike or Ross pick up a Honda dirt bike. As you can see, we've got a bunch. So right now there is a deal on the 110s and the 50s. 110s and the 50s, 300 off. And then we've got on the 250s and the 450Rs, we have 1,000 off. We've got a bunch of these in. Come pick one up. Yamaha dirt bikes, got lots of those. And all YZs are 1,000 off. Lots in stock, come check them out. You laughing at me over there? Uh-huh. I get that, yeah. YXZ. Oh, look, I kind of want one of those. Okay, guys. Almost got her tidied up here. Everything's kind of almost to length. I still got to trim that up once I figure out where it's going. But check this out. Lightbar works. Let's do this here. Yeah, baby. Looks good. Okay, guys, we got her all back together here. Give you guys a little bit of a sound clip and see how it drives. It's still stock clutching with the 29.5s, but actually, you know what? Let me start it up here. We'll start it up here for you guys, let you hear it. There we go. So it's a couple years old now, but it's an MDRP muffler. I'll pull it out here, you guys can hear it here. We got the really nice color in the R7 with the orange wheels, and then this baby, the R1M carbon fiber. This is the top of the line bike, R1, numbered, number plate right there, all carbon tail, electronic shocks, Bowens. Give another shot of that R7. Lots in here, come check it out, guys. Look at everything we got out here. Anything you need. Got the YXZ. Okay guys, thanks for joining me today. Showed you a couple things that we got on the showroom, some deals that we got going on with the Yamaha and the Honda dirt bikes. Come to Dewildt Marine and Power Sports, pick some up. As you can see behind me, we've even got some snowmobiles left over. So yeah, and then I'm gonna try to do a review on the Yamaha electric assisted bicycle, mountain bike. So we'll take this home, see what we can do with this. It's got adjustable seat, adjustable air shocks, electric assisted motor. There's your controls for it there, adjustable seat. So yeah, I'm gonna take this home, try to do some riding on it, do a little review of it. We sell these as well, so come on into Dewildt Marine and Power Sports on Highway 7 in Peterborough, and come check and say hi to the guys, and pick yourselves up something Yamaha or Honda. Cheers.